Welcome back, everybody. Hopefully you guys are having a happy holidays. I know I celebrate Christmas, so I had a nice Christmas. I got a bunch of gifts that are actually useful in my life, and I could use like stuff like for the gym and of that nature, and just, water bottles. But I want to be talking about, as far as you guys can get gifts, you guys can buy stocks or you can buy investments for your kids or your family members. I honestly think that's a lot more meaningful to buy stuff that's going to last you a lifetime and that's going to be giving you money over the long run. Instead of gifts, like I said, like you can get gifts too, but make sure you guys focus on investment opportunities as well simultaneously. It doesn't have to be all stocks and all investments, because that'll be kind of boring, and I ain't gonna lie, it is kind of boring sometimes, but that is beneficial for their future. Today, we're going to be going into my Robinhood app and to see the stocks I will be buying today. So let's get into our Robinhood app. So now let's go over the day, the week, and the month, and the 3 months about the progress I've been making, and of course, appreciation. So on the day, I was up $1.72, and after hours, on the week, I was up $63.86, which equals to 1.0%, just about 1%. On the month, I've been up $160.64. That is 2.59%. And on the 3 months, a whopping $260.37, which equals to a 4.26%. Now, I am beating inflation by about 2%. So that is always nice. My money is maintaining, and it's doing more than maintaining, it's actually gaining more money. So you always want to look for stuff like that. On the year, same thing, 4.26%. Now I have $629.82. I'm going to be investing that next week. So remember, guys, you guys liked the last video about 14 times, so I had to add $100 plus the 140, which is 100, which equals to 240. Sorry, my math is kind of twisted. 240. So next week, like this one, even though I didn't invest or anything like that, comment, like it a bunch so I could continue putting more into that $629. So by the time next week, I'm gonna be able to invest possibly like $900, possibly $1,000, just because you guys liked it. And remember, one like equals $10 that I have to invest into the portfolio. So go ahead and do that. Let's just look at my watch list so that I could show you like where my thinking is at and what companies I do want to invest in next week. So we got BTI, International Paper, Philip Morris, RCL. This is the Royal Caribbean Cruises, IBM, SPG. I like because it's the real estate stock. They own all the malls in the country, or most of the big major malls. Apple stock, McDonald's, Pepsi, and you can see, and there's some ETFs. But, I've been pushing off Apple since it was probably at like $220, and I've been saying to myself like, oh, it's too expensive. I'm waiting for it to come back down. This is a perfect example. Let's click on Apple of why you shouldn't just wait because you think it's too expensive. As you can see, in the last 3 months, it's been up 30%. So right when I started investing, I said, oh, it's kind of too high, but it's only been going nothing but up. So I missed out on the $65 so far and the dividends that they would have paid me over those 3 months. And on the year, it's up 91%. So remember, guys, start investing today, because you never know when it's going to drop back down that, you'll feel comfortable buying. I'd say always just keep buying something every single week. Don't say it's too expensive for me, I'm gonna wait till it drops, because that's a perfect example. Like, you never know when it's gonna go down. You never know if it's gonna go skyrocket. So, but all I know is that if you invest in it each and every day, each and every week, and it goes up, you're gonna be reaping the benefits. And if it goes down, you can even buy more of that stock. So I'm looking at possibly Royal Caribbean. I think I'm going to be purchased either between Royal Caribbean or Simon Property Group. Then I'm going to be racking up I think we're going to probably hit $1,000 so that I can invest into these companies, and that will give us a nice dividend as well. And if you haven't already, please, I will put something up right here that's going to come across in a white bar. It's the last video about how much I earn in dividends. Go watch that so you can see exactly to the penny how much my stocks produce each and every single month and year in dividends. So check that out if you haven't already. But yeah, that's all I really have to say. We could check out some of my dividends that I've been paid. If we go to statements and we go to filter, and then we go to dividends, And then I think I got SPHD is the last company that was going to be paying me out this month, December 31st, and they pay every single month. And then you can see some January ones, but that's just about it. The last 30 days been blessing. I've been receiving lots of dividends, so I'm happy about that. The stock market is like a job, a real job for your money. You know, they clock in, they clock out. It opens up at 9:30 and closes at 4. They go home at 4. And holidays are usually off as well. So, you know, your money really is one of your employees. You should see it that way, and you should be invested, and they should be working at all times. You know, even though they have the day off, I know they're going to be back to work tomorrow, working as hard as they can. Always. The analogy sounds kind of funny, but it's true. You know, they are your employees. So thank you guys for watching so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. I can't stress how important it is for you to subscribe so I can keep on creating content for you guys to learn more stuff about financial literacy and just finances in general, personal finance, so that we could all get together and, you know, become free so we could do whatever we please whenever we want, and we can spend time with our family. If you have any kids, you can spend time more with your kids because money is not the issue anymore. Comment down below, please. I love when you guys make comments and talk about stocks or just finance in general and ask questions, because that's why I'm here. You know, I want to share my information that I've learned over the last years to you, and I can answer some of your questions, or I can send you to people that have the answers that you got. So definitely do that. And remember, down below, Robinhood free stock that's waiting for you. So go ahead and sign up. It's waiting for you when you sign up, so I can get free stock and you can get free stock. So definitely do that. It's definitely important that you guys get started investing today, and I can't stress that enough. Thank you guys so much, and have a happy holidays. I'll see you guys next week.